Hello everyone, welcome to another video on affiliate programs. Now today we're covering Balenciaga. Can you actually join Balenciaga affiliate program? Well, yes, you actually can. So if you go to their website right here, you will see that a lot of luxury brands such as Balenciaga and Armani, for example, they don't have an affiliate programs. As you can see here, you can actually find the affiliate program that you can join. So what you can do is you can join indirectly through other retailers. So as you can see right here, if we go to this website, Lux Collective, here there are many brands, as you can see, from Givenchy, Fendi, Goyard, Hermes, and a lot of other brands that you can use to basically go and to promote not just Balenciaga, but also other brands. So this is one way how you can join and apply now here for an affiliate program when it comes to Balenciaga, right? If you want to go and if you want to be sure that you're just promoting Balenciaga, then go to the Google, type in Balenciaga affiliate program, and here you have two different links. So this is one affiliate program, and this is second affiliate program. So this is the first one, so you can go here and join. However, this is not a well-known affiliate program, so I'm not sure if this would be the right fit. But the second affiliate program, which is right here, is called the Affiliate Monkey. Here you can actually go and join the network. So you can go to the network, and then here you can join their network, become a partner, and then you will be able to select Balenciaga as your merchant, or as a product that you want to promote. But yeah, it's very difficult to actually go and promote Balenciaga directly because they don't actually have the affiliate program. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next video.